Curtains For You are the UK's favourite online store for curtains and accessories. We're here today to show you how to get the perfect measurement for your window setting. You will need two measurements, the width of your curtain pole or track and the finished length you would like your curtains to be. Please ensure you use one measuring unit, i.e. just inches or centimetres for your width and length in order to stop any confusion. We suggest you use a metal measuring tape to ensure accuracy. As a general guide, we suggest that tracks and poles sit around 15 cm above your window and overlap the window by 15 cm at each side. However, this can vary according to individual curtain style. Poles for goblet and tab-top headed curtains should extend for 30 cm on either side of the window. If you have a curtain pole, measure the width between the finials, and if you have a curtain track, simply measure the length from end to end. For overlapping tracks, you simply measure the width of each track and add them together to get an accurate total. If you are hanging your curtains from rings, you should measure your drop from the underside of the rings. If you have chosen eyelet-headed curtains, you should measure from the top of the pole and add 4 cm. If you have chosen tab-headed curtains, measure from the top of the curtain pole, which must be fixed at least 15 cm above the window. If you are hanging your curtains from a curtain track, simply measure from the top of the track to where you want your drop to finish. For made-to-measure curtains and curtains which we offer an alteration service, you can customise the drop length to suit. We suggest for a full-length curtain you measure your drop to 1 cm above your windowsill. For floor-length curtains, measure just 1 cm above the floor. We suggest you check your drop length in 3 places to make sure you have catered for uneven surfaces. On Curtains For You, when purchasing ready-made curtains, we suggest you follow our simple measuring guide. This will ensure you will have the correct amount of gather for your track or pole width. As an example, if your pole width was 82 inches wide, we would recommend you purchase a 90-inch curtain width, as this would create a full look with the right amount of gather. Please note, all ready-made and made-to-measure curtains are sold in pairs. You can find detailed measuring guides on the Curtains For You website. It's worth taking a little extra time and care over your measurements to ensure your curtains fit perfectly.